Hey guys, we're here on Shri and Plays, and today I'm going to be doing a really easy tutorial on how to build another Lego race car. This looks pretty cool, guys. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to build it step by step. And you can obviously already make this out of all the waste parts you have. Alright guys, so now let's get building. Alright guys, now I'm going to be building the first step. So for that, you're going to want to take a 2x12 plate. And then you want to take one of these type of pieces. And then just place it right here, like that. Then let's take two 1x1 plates and place it right here. Just like that. Then let's take a 2x4 plate and place it right there like that. Then let's take a grill tile and place it right here. And then let's take a 1x2 tile and place it right there. Look. Then let's take two cheese slopes and place it right here in this formation, like that. Then let's take two glass cheese slopes and then place it right here. Just it like this. Like that. And then guys, the first half of our car is done, and you just stick that in the front, like that. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how to build the second half. So first, let's take these tire pieces, and then just place it right here. Just like that. Just like that. Then let's take two 2x4 plates and then just stack them on top of each other. Like that. Then let's take one of these hood-like pieces and then just place it right here, like that. And then take a 1x2 plate and place it right there. And then the second half of our car is finished. Alright guys, now I'm going to be showing you how to build the third half. So for that, you want to take first a 1x2 brick and then just place it in the back, like that. Then let's take one of these pieces and then just place it right here. Just like that. Then let's take two of these pieces and place it right there, like that. And let's take one of these full cheese slopes and place it right here, like that. And then the second half of our car is finished. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to build the third half. So for that, first let's take these tire pieces and then just place them right here, like that. Then let's take three 2x4 plates and stack them on top of each other, like that. And then let's take one of these and then just place it right here, like that. And the second half of our car is done. Alright guys, now I'm going to be showing you guys how to build the last half. So for that, first let's take this plate and then just take a 2x3 plate and place it right there, like that. Then let's take a 2x2 plate, place it right there, like that. Then take a 1x2 plate and place it right there, like that. Then let's take a 1x4 plate and place it right here, like that. Then let's take 2 of these and place it right here, like that. Then let's take 2 1x1 plates and place it right there, like that. Then you want to flip it over and then take a 1x3 plate and take a 1x1 plate and place it right there, like that. Then let's take a 1x4 plate and place it right there, like that. Then you want to take 2 1x1 plates and then place it right here, like that. And then just do the same thing. Then let's take 2 of these and then just place it right here, like that. And then let's just take that over here and stick it on. Stick it on here, like that. And then we're gonna take a 1x2 brick and place it right here, like that. And then lastly, to finish off our race car, take one of these and then place it right here. And then guys, boom, we are finished with our Lego race car now. And then you just wanna, let's just now place a figure in there. And then put this hatch back on. And then, woo! Okay guys, now that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this video, like and share with everybody you know, and make sure to watch more videos of Shri and Jill Plays, and also more tutorials of Shri and Jill Plays coming up soon. Bye!